Welcome back to the DIY Del Sol restoration project brought to you by Resin Auto Co. My name is Erica and my 1995 Honda Del Sol's trunk lid needs some rust removal love. So let's get started. Heather's my helper again today, so we're going to absolutely schmurder this rust and DIY restore and protect this JDM Classics trunk lid. We started with the area around this little rubber piece with a combo of hand sanding and a wire wheel. Next, we moved on to the seam sealer underneath the lid. Much easier to address than underneath the doors. If you missed that episode, it's definitely worth a watch. From there, pretty much anywhere that we saw rust, it got obliterated. Even the holes for the spoiler installation were not safe from us. Once the sanding was done, it was OSPO time, and I sprayed that stuff everywhere that I could. To make sure that the rust was really gone, we let it sit for 10 minutes or so before the areas got a clean water rinse, and then we allowed the areas to dry. While they dried, I taped off the trunk lights and then primed the now rust-free repaired areas and wiped off any overspray that I got on any of the rubber pieces or plastic pieces, and voila, all better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.